Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
TimeAlly Super Goal Achiever Plan is a decentralized smart contract-based systematic accumulation plan. TSGAP incentivizes stakers' behavior for staking regularly in a disciplined way. TSGAP assures annuity on ES staked every month for next 9 years. All TimeAlly smart contracts are middlemen free, and there are no middleman charges. It doesn't charge any fund management or administrative charges. Users on TimeAlly have total control over their funds, and they have to deposit their SIP and withdraw their SIP on their own on time. Only users are responsible, and there are not any customer service charges. The entire staked Eraswap is stored in a trustless smart contract system. This can't be double spent and moved out for any other purpose, as this is completely managed by blockchain-based smart contract. The entire staked Eraswap is stored in a trustless smart contract system. All referral incentives to TimeAlly club members and DAOswappers club members are been paid from a separate bucket allocated for this, and customer funds are not used to pay these incentives. Thus it doesn't charge you any unnecessary charges, so that the customers don't bear the costs of DAOswappers and TimeAlly club members, and their funds grow much better without any deductions. Here are some unique features of TimeAlly Super Goal Achiever Plan. Systematic Accumulation Plan. TimeAlly Super Goal Achiever Plan is a decentralized smart contract-based systematic accumulation plan. It incentivizes stakers' behavior for staking regularly in a disciplined way. Smart contract. The entire staked Eraswap is stored in a trustless smart contract system. This can't be double spent and moved out for any other purpose, as this is completely managed by blockchain-based smart contract. Stored benefits. The future benefits of the staker are stored safely in smart contract on day 1 of beginning of annuity, which is transparent and most secured system-driven. Total control. The assets will be distributed at different interval time as per the smart contract logics. The withdrawal of eligible benefits is in total control of the staker. TimeAlly run on decentralized smart contracts, which gives users complete control over their digital assets. Bonus, annuity and monthly benefits guaranteed. Stakers will receive annuity on ES staked every month for the same month in next 9 years. Booster bonus on total ES staked of first year gets released timely in equal percentage on every 36/70 to ND/180th month. After doing systematic accumulation for 12 months, there is an annuity paid in ES native for 108th months, and the booster bonus is paid every 3rd, 6th and 9th year. Limited period offer. TSGAP is limited period solution viable for 10 million ES. Once 10 million ES are accepted in TSGAP smart contract, this contract won't accept any more stakings in the plan. This 10 million native S can be staked on basis of a first-come first basis of deposit of 10 million ES. Once a total 10 million native ES are stakes in TSGAP, further new contracts can't be created. TSGAP illustration, 10,000 ES for 12 months. TSGAP SIP and annuity chart in ES. As per the slabs higher, the number of ES you accumulate higher will be the benefit. To calculate for yourself, you can use TSGAP calculator. What is grace period? Once you have deposited ES in TSGAP for the first month's accumulation, your window to deposit second month's accumulation will open for 30 days 10 hours. If SIP is not deposited within 30 days or 10 hours as per the due, then there is a grace of 10 days to deposit the SIP. After the grace period, the staker will not be allowed to deposit for the respective month. The opportunity to deposit ES for the respective month will be lost forever. If failed, then there will be no payout for the month. The window will open now for the new deposit. What is top up? If one tries to deposit 12 months of SAP in one go, then the purpose of doing SUP, which is entering the market at different months and DS rates, will not be achieved. If one deposits more than SAP commitment, then additional ES deposited will be counted as top-up. The additional top-up will be applicable only as per the plan chosen at the time of contract acceptance by the staker as per TS Gap SAP and annuity chart. Now let's learn how to use TimeAlly Super Goal Achiever Plan. How to log into TimeAlly. Step 1. Go to TimeAlly website and click on the Connect to Wallet button, and choose by Eraswap Life. Step 2. You'll be redirected to Eraswap Life. Click on Load Wallet, choose anyone, key store file or access through mnemonic or private key. If you don't have Eraswap Wallet, you can create it. Step 3. There are 3 ways to load your Eraswap Wallet. If accessing through key store file, then choose the key store file, enter the password, click on Load Wallet. If accessing through private key, then enter your private key, click on Access Wallet. If accessing the mnemonics, then enter your mnemonics, click on Access My Wallet. Step 4. After logging in successfully, you will be redirected to TimeAlly. How to use TS Gap Calculator. Step 1. Visit Eraswap info, go to App menu and select Dashboard. Step 2. Click on TimeAlly Super Goal Achiever Calculator. Step 3. Enter the minimum staking commitment amount. Step 4. Click on Calculate button to calculate. This is the monthly annuity benefit. This is annuity benefit in 9 years. You can also try and enter different amount or miss out a monthly deposit amount to see what difference it makes in your booster bonus. How to stake in TS Gap. Step 1. Go to TS Gap tab. Step 2. Click on New SIP. Step 3. Must read these terms and conditions before clicking on Proceed. Step 4. Enter the amount and click on Next button. Step 5. Click on From Liquid. You can only get TS Gap using liquid ES tokens/native ES tokens. And rewards you will receive from this plans will also be in liquid tokens/native ES tokens. Step 6. Click on Approve TimeAlly SIP. Step 7. Click on Submit and Sign to give approval. Step 8. Now that is approved, click on Confirm SIP. Step 9. Click on Submit and Sign. How to view your SIP. Step 1. Go to TS Gap tab. Step 2. Scroll down and click on View My SIP. Step 3. Here you can view all your TimeAlly Super Goal Achiever plans. How to do monthly deposits in TS Gap. Step 1. Go to TS Gap tab. Step 2. Scroll down and click on View My SIP. Step 3. Here you can view all your TimeAlly Super Goal Achiever plans. Step 4. Click on View SIP of the plan, of which you want to do monthly deposit. Step 5. Click on Deposit. Step 6. Enter the installment amount of the chosen month and click on Next. Step 7. Click on From Liquid and then click on Go to third step. Step 8. Click on Confirm Monthly Deposit. Step 9. Click on Sign and Submit and then Continue. How to withdraw your benefits from TS Gap. Step 1. Go to TS Gap tab. Step 2. Scroll down and click on View My SIP. Step 3. Click on View SIP from the plan you want to withdraw benefits. Step 4. Click on Benefit page. Step 5. Select the months from which you want to withdraw benefits. Step 6. Click on Withdraw. Step 7. Click on Sign and Submit. Step 8. Before clicking on Continue, you can view your transaction by clicking on this link. Now that you have followed all the steps and have staked your Eraswaps in TimeAlly Super Goal Achiever Plan, Eraswap welcomes you to Eraswap community.